Harrisonburg is so great because of its diversity. On the Road Collaborative allows you to really embrace people from all walks of life.
It's amazing to just work with students and get them ready for their future by connecting them with career enrichment courses.
Just been fun to be in on the road, and it helps me be myself too.
I see On the Road giving these students opportunities by giving them access to things that they would not have access to otherwise.
They've helped me go to different colleges to see admissions processes and just have experience in the work field.
And we're able to do all of these activities and play games after school, and I'm able to make a difference for these kids. I get provided with this feeling of warmth.
It's fun. I like the teachers because I like hearing about other people's life. It's interesting to me.
This is actually engaging and fun, and let me stay in this program, let me hang on a little tighter, and I'm still doing that.
I think it's really important to shape and mold students for the future.
I think On the Road Collaborative is an excellent organization. I think you should get involved.